Hey guys, it's LPSIDTwins here. Popping in with another video.
Yes, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video.
With, of course, an IDTwin Twist.
Yes,
That's going to be a thing now.
An IDTwin Twist.
Yes.
So we're going to be adding in, as my twin said, a twist into this just to make it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more different.
Yes, so it's not just your typical unboxing video.
It's like a parakeet or something. Green parakeet or cockatiel or whatever, and it's a pale lime green colour.
Yes, we can.
Because we are interesting. So we don't have to blabber much more. Our gems are matching.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
Cray.
We will get straight into the unboxing video. Let's unbox this baby.
Woo!
Here's the package.
Yes.
Wow.
Excuse the set in the back. It looks
creative.
It looks creative. This is kind of like a rushed set because we've been away at school for so long. So,
Yeah.
I'm going to get into opening it. Am I just going to start trying to cut this?
Sure. Just give it a.
Don't give it a. Say that. Just go stick to this side. Okay. Just watch me cut. Oh, that was sad as well.
Oh, is that some biscuits?
Oh my god, Jack's biscuits. We
some
bought
Jack's?
biscuits, everybody. That's what we bought. We didn't buy LPS.
2 health star rating.
We bought Jack's
mini
biscuits. Is this
biscuit.
for kids? Oh my god, she knows us so well.
She does. Look at that.
Oh. Stop.
So much stuff. That's enough now.
It is time we take over the world, bringing them back to our roots.
Yes, master. From soft to hard.
Oh my god, run!
I can't run!
Into the hard plastic treasure you go, little girl. Yes, master. All of the hard plastic prototypes are done. The army has been created.
Okay, we're good. So guys, that was the end of that part of the unboxing video.
We're going to move on to the next pets. Hope you guys enjoyed the prototypes. Let us know which one was your fave.
Yes, and we'll get onto the second part of it because we got 2 sets of LPS in this lot. As we explained during the unboxing of the other video, like the unboxing of the other pets, sorry.
Obviously.
Yeah, so let's move on to the second part.
Oh, look, let's watch it fade out. My twin, it's fading out. I wonder what's going to happen.
Oh my gosh, like last weekend, I sat around and ate popcorn all day watching movies!
Well, my weekend consisted of swimming, and swimming.
You, Chica, how was your weekend? Okay.
away, Susan. No one even wants your hair. I'm too popular and you're a nobody. Goodbye.
Oh.
Gosh, Bethany! Hi! How crazy was that party last night, Bethany?
Oh my god, it was like so lit. Samuel was like so hot. He's just eye candy.
He was, and I loved that marshmallow song, whatever that was called. It was sweet.
That was so good, so funky.
I know. Oh my gosh, guys, someone call the ambulance. Someone passed out in the science room. Someone drank too many fumes. I mean, smoked too many fumes.
I don't know science.
Gosh, what?
Oh my god, let's go have a look.
Yeah.
Let's put it on Instagram.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Robinson.
Mr. Robinson.
Get to my Instagram.
Oh no, poor Mr. Robinson. He's
Down.
This is just horrific. Mr. Robinson.
Baby Shark is gonna help Mr. Robinson. Help Mr. Robinson. Baby Shark is gonna help Mr. Robinson.
Who could have done this? Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching our unboxing video. Yes, we hope you guys enjoyed.
If you couldn't tell,
It's kind of an unboxing video across a skit. We wanted to show the pets in a different way, not just showing them to you exactly. So all the pets that were actually in these two skits were what we got. Yes, not including the accessories that we did use in the last skit, or any of the accessories that we used at all throughout both of the skits. Only the pets, so hope you guys had a decent look at them. You're welcome to go back and pause it or whatever if you want to have a closer look. Yes. And see, what do you guys think of this type of style of unboxing video? We kind of just came up with it and thought of an idea of maybe trying something new and different. Yeah, because we wanted to be different, and since our other videos have been very typical lately, so we wanted to be sort of different and exciting, and if you guys think it's a good idea, we might do it again in the future for another unboxing video. Let us know if that's something that we should invest in and start doing or not. And we've also been using a new camera. I don't know if we said that in our last video. Yes, if you can't tell, we are using a camera, and we are going great with it. Yeah, it's really hard, but we will learn, and if you think the quality's a bit different or whatever, let us know. Let us know. If it's worse, let us know as well, so we'll go back to the phone. Yeah, please feel free, be honest if you think this is better or worse sounding and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching LPSIDTwins. Popping out of the video. Bye guys. Bye.